Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on my 2018 GMC Sierra 3500, and first thing what I want to do is to drive to the dealer, order some more parts that I'm missing, and also I want to check if the parts that I ordered already came in, like an intake and other stuff, so I can work on the engine bay. And then I'm gonna get back home and start preparing all those parts that needs to be painted.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to late, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I'm working the bar today. I'm lost in the bar days. I'm flipping the bars and flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record deals. Tell them talk the column for the phone. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. I need racks, paper cash, bucket tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, we'll get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to late, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record.
How to fit this thing over here so it doesn't damage my little car. Come on. This huge bar wanna damage my little car. Okay. I got half of my parts, half of them still not came in. I got my blade, shroud, another shroud, the top section of the Corso part, and this is the manifold, intake manifold that I got. And the sad thing, I've been waiting for this one month and a half, and you can see there's a big gouge, and it's, oh come on, focus. So it sticks out over here somehow. I'm gonna have to either grind it to make it work so it doesn't leak any air. So that's all the parts came in, EGR and a few other parts I'm still waiting on. Also, I'm still waiting on the grill mounting. It's been over 3 weeks already since they ordered, but it still hasn't came in yet. I don't know what's causes that. I guess it's because of the strike drama going on. But I have to work with what I have right now. Let's go home and start preparing everything for paint. Alright guys, I got home and something came in. Let me get the food and check this out. I'm not gonna reveal it right now. This is the rims that I got for the truck. Oh, look at this. Lift kit is here. That's so awesome. I'm gonna go eat and gonna continue working on the truck. back in. Какое. Goodbye. Now I'm gonna be painting both fenders and under the hood inside. In order to do that, I need to push this truck out again. Man, I'm tired of pushing this truck back and forth, but hopefully this is gonna be last time that I push it out to paint it, because I don't want to cover it, and it's easier to just push it out and I will have enough plastic to cover those seats and everything else that I want to be oversprayed. Should be pretty simple to do it, because I already prepared the fenders. I sent them the other day, actually a couple weeks ago, long, or maybe more, even more than a couple weeks ago. They're ready. All I have to do, wax and grease and apply a sealer with the base and clear. But before I'll do that, I need to send the hood inside to prepare it for painting also. Then all those three parts gonna be painted. And while they're gonna be drying, I'm gonna be washing all those plastics, headliner, and probably, I don't know yet, my truck is hooked up to the trailer, and the new project is on the trailer, and I can't get it off right now because it needs some attention in order to get the new project off of the trailer. So that setup is unmovable right now, and only vehicle that I have, I can drive it right now, it's my Evo, and I kind of don't want to get the wet carpet into the Evo to bring it home from the car wash in order to dry it out. We'll see. I haven't decided. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I'm not. Depends how long the painting gonna take me. But now let's push this truck outside, clean the garage. Actually, let's send the hood first, clean the garage, and start painting. So guys, I had a bit of an issue. I don't know what was wrong with the lock ignition. So I took everything apart because the key didn't want to turn in. Now it works. Everything works good. And I don't know what was causing that. So I free up this pin over here, jiggle it, wiggle it a little, and then try to turn the key, and it worked. So I don't know what was causing that, but now everything works. I'm gonna go ahead, reassemble all this, not completely, just slightly, so I can put a steering wheel back and steer it by pushing this truck out. And then when I'm gonna be completely assembling the interior, I will assemble everything. Actually, I'm not gonna even worry about all these parts. I'm just gonna throw steering wheel back on and gonna get this truck outside. So as you can see, I cleaned out the garage a little and got my hood inside. The hood looks good, nothing being damaged as usual, you know. And lesson learned, since I live far away from a dealership, I check the parts on the spot. So now what I need to do is flip this hood over and sand it with a 320 on DA, and then where those difficult spots I couldn't get to, I'll switch to the red Scotch-Brite and I'm gonna finish it with the red Scotch-Brite. What is this? Some kind of hair. Anyway, let's just continue working. It's getting late already, and again, I don't wanna be painting on a Thanksgiving till midnight. Finally prepared this underhood. Now I'm gonna wax and grease it and should be ready for sealer. Also, I need to get those fenders, put them on the stands also, and wax and grease them too. So let's do that right quick and let's start mixing the sealer.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money.
So the sealer is pre-mixed, the parts is ready also, the hood wiped down with the wax and grease remover, same thing with both fenders. Now let's start applying sealer.
Singing, hey now, honey, ain't got no money,
That's it, guys. I finally done with the painting. Everything went smooth. You can see it actually came out nice. I like it. The fenders have a coat and a half, and the hood have one coat. The reason for that, the factory doesn't have that much coat under the hood, clear coat or paint. It just whatever gets there over spray. So I'm trying to match it, and again, there's no need for 2 coats of clear coat for under the hood parts. It took me quite a bit of time to get all this prepared and painted. I believe I started at 3 o'clock and right now it's currently 10 o'clock. I let it cure for about half an hour. I was at home for half an hour. So you can count from 9 to, even from 3 to 9, that's 6 hours to just paint these 3 parts. That's insane. I don't know what's taking me so long. And even though my fenders was previously prepared for painting, it is what it is at this time. I could not get to those plastics to wash them, but that's gonna be, I guess, the next episode. And today is a Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I want to thank you, all of you guys that watching my videos and keep getting me support and go with me all through all those rebuilds. That means a lot to me. I wouldn't be on YouTube without you guys. I'm gonna end this episode right here. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please like this video, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, do so to help me growing this channel to even bigger. I have a few things that I want to do, but I need a bigger audience in order to do those kind of projects, because they're gonna be real spendy and I need some revenues from YouTube to get them started. But my plan to get them to at least to start one that I have idea in my head sometime next year, hopefully in February or March. We'll see. Hopefully by that time we're gonna get big enough where my revenues will cover all those expenses. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, do so, because I posted there every single day updates or sneak peeks before YouTube. Thank you for your support and I'll see you next one.